All right, welcome to Wheeling Wednesday, event number 9 so far. This is going to be an awesome event. Hopefully you enjoy seeing all these rigs and the new intro format for the RC videos. Let me know what you think of it. Just said I get to pick?
Yeah, anyone you want.
Fuck, man, I gotta go with the biggest
Be careful
one.
though, I might trick you. I can guarantee you I trick you in these.
I'm guaranteed.
What's he gonna get?
I'll go with this one.
We need some suspense.
This one's got some weight to it.
I'm guessing that's a good choice.
What is it? What is it?
Let's find out.
Ah!
It's a brick, first of all, and we got a $30 Red Robin's card. Nice. And stickers.
You were messing with it. I gotta get it.
Everybody drum. What is it?
Oh! Heck yeah!
A 24!
Let's go! Yeah.
Mint
With some stickers.
with some stickies.
Dude, I love the stickers.
What bag?
I'll go over
You
here.
pick. That one?
Let's see, drum roll,
What did you get?
The 1080?
Wing 1080.
Oh, heck yeah, it's good ESC. Alright, what is it?
A lanyard.
A lanyard.
Hey.
Woo!
Hell yeah, it was the switch. Nice, baby.
There you go, buddy.
Yeah.
Alrighty, thank you guys so much.
I love the chase and the hunt. I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so we can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
I think she's tied on tight.
Driver.
Yeah, you got it.
I'm so confident, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. I'm so confident, into hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad. I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack.
like the way had to get it to be different, but well, my
Get up there. Get up there, and then we can get your car.
but it's got those gas tanks.
We're gonna at least have an idea of like what's going on.
Yeah.
You know? And then who knows? We might get a driver to finishing podiums at the end of the season, which would be the coolest thing. Placed at championships this year. But there were guys that placed for Northern Utah, Southern, and
Oh, can it do it loaded?
Alright, hopefully you guys enjoyed that RC video. I tried to do it in a little bit different of an editing format. I'm definitely going to be freaking filming this a lot differently and with 2 different cameras next year. Unfortunately, by the time this is filmed and coming out, the wheeling season's over. There will be small events here and there of RCs, but not a whole ton of RC stuff. But I got a stockpile. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. The biggest thing on my channel. Go out and go find your passions.